I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azimuchi Azeru Oziri. We still dey talk about you and the police. You remember say I tell una say you and the police na very long series. The thing long well well, the rope long. We go dey talk am small small till we finish am. Your own na as you dey watch, make you dey share, make other people to follow you dey watch. Today we go talk about arrest. You know say one of the things wey dey make people get problem with police na how police take arrest them. Now, wetin law talk for section 33 of the Police Act, this one na the law wey be say wey born police, the law wey talk wetin police go fit do and wetin police no go fit do. Wetin that law talk be say if police come arrest you, police get right to touch your body, touch you like this. Police get right to hold you. Except where as dem come arrest you, you don talk something or do wetin show say you wan really follow dem dey go their station. But where be say you no do this thing, police get right to hold you, touch you as dem dey arrest you. Another thing again na where e concern handcuff. You know what people dey call handcuff, no be handcuff na handcuff. Now, law talk say police fit, you know say people feel say na only criminal dem dey put that chain for hand. No, wetin make dem dey put that chain for person, that chain for hand, if dem come arrest am, dey inside law. Now law talk say if police come arrest you, say police fit use that their chain alias handcuff take hold you down, except where dem know say you don submit yourself to dem, then dem no go use that thing hold you. Another thing again wey fit make police use that chain put for your hand na when police feel say if dem no put you that chain, you go fit run. Una know say the main reason wey police dey put that chain for people na make you no for no run. So if where police feel say you go run, dem go put you handcuff. Another place again na where police feel say you dey violent, if the person wey go fit injure person, where be say police feel say as dem come arrest you, you fit wound dem or you fit wound yourself. Take of say who you be, how you stubborn reach or anything, police get every right to use that chain hold you down to protect themselves and to protect you too wey dem come arrest. Thank you. Watch and share.